At the beginning of the driving test, you'll be asked a show me, tell me question before you head out on your drive. This video is about the checks under the bonnet. So, the release catch will be inside your car. This one is on a Peugeot 208 and it's on the left hand side. This model, just above the 2 is where the little release catch is, and you put this in there. That will support your lid. This is the screen wash. Although it's not actually one of the questions on the show me tell me, make sure you keep that topped up regularly. Don't want a bird pooing on your window and you can't wash it off. This is the engine coolant. You can tell by the thermometer symbol. You'll be asked to identify where it is, so you'll point to it and they'll ask you how you check the level. And on the side they'll have a gauge. Keep the level between the minimum and the max. This is the brake fluid reservoir. One of the questions will be to identify where the brake fluid reservoir is. An easy way to remember it, that symbol is octagonal, and that's the same as the stop and give way sign. Stop, brake, easy way to remember it. They'll ask you to check how you check the level, and you keep the level between the minimum and the questions is how do you check the oil on the car, how do you know what oil to put in the car, and where do you top it up. So the first thing is the manual will tell you what oil is needed for your car. You take out the dipstick, which has got the little oil can symbol on. You wipe off the bottom so it's clean. You then pop it back in. Remember, only check your oil when it's stone cold, so that all the oil is in the bottom. Then when you take it out, you read at the bottom and you look for the gauge, and you'll have the minimum and the max, and you want to keep it somewhere between the minimum and the max, preferably nearer to the max. And if you need to top your oil up, you pour it in here. So you take that cap off, top it up and put it back on. Close the bonnet, take the catch out, put it back in its little casing, bring the bonnet down, and a little drop. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.